Happy Halloween, lovelies. I hope you're having a spooktacular day. I am super excited because right now it's the day before Halloween. When you're seeing this, it will actually be Halloween. Why is there always road noise? I am so excited because I got my, I'm not going to dox myself, I got my Juvia's Place Halloween mystery box. So if you don't know, you didn't watch my other video about new makeup releases where I talked about this, go watch that video because it's pretty, I think it's pretty good. Anyway, I talked about how I purchased the Juvia's Place $16 mystery Halloween box in addition to the mini magic palette. So the mini magic palette I know for sure is in here. Everything else, I don't know what it is. So we're gonna unbox it together. I am super excited. Okay. I thought I had already opened it because I didn't want to get like the shook sound on camera because I know some people are really sensitive. Okay, so you're guaranteed to get at least 2 eye products in here. So let me just pull out and then the other 2. Oh, I'm so excited. Okay, so I got the Magic Mini palette. This is the one that I chose. So like I do. And look at this beautiful artwork. Like how pretty is that? Okay. Ooh. Okay, so I cannot wait to dip into this. Like this really pretty pink. This shade here called Valley, this beautiful silver. But the thing I'm most excited about is this one called Faso. It's this like really pretty like purple. Here, I'm going to swatch it. It's this really pretty purpley color. And you probably, oh my God, look at that. It's like this really pretty violet. Ooh, I'm so excited. I'm so excited. And Buzo. Ooh, this like Kelly green color. Yes. Yes. Okay. I made the very correct decision. So we're gonna maybe do a palette bingo with this later. I'm excited. I'm so excited. Okay. So now we're getting into the Halloween mystery box. So the first item is a palette. So I'm super excited. And it's the festival palette. And I actually went back and forth about whether or not I was gonna get the magic or the festival palette. And now that I have both, my dreams are coming true. Like, my dreams are coming true. My hair's growing back. Like, the whole, you know, it's just the whole thing. The whole vibe is good. But, I mean, I have more eyeshadow, which I didn't need, but mind your business, Betsy. And I keep dropping that. Ooh, okay. So I'm really excited about this one. So this is here, I'll show you the front first. So this is the festival palette. And again, beautiful. I think this one's supposed to be inspired by like Carnival or something like that. But this white shade up here is a shimmer. And this is like a true kind of red and orangey color and these beautiful like pinks. So we've got all of these are matte, the ones here in this U. So everything except this white is a matte up here. And then down here we have these gorgeous, gorgeous shimmers. I'm actually really interested in Abba, like what that looks like. Abba looks like, oh my God, these are so beautiful and reflective. And ooh, Kaliki. What does Kaliki look like? Ah, Kaliki is like a metallic black, but there's no, it's a true metallic. There's no like glitter in there. You know what I mean? That's awesome. I'm really excited about this. Like this just made the box worth it, period. Because I think this retails for like $14, $16. The mystery box itself was only $16. So let's see the other stuff we got. Oh, we got the Heroin Glow by Juvia's Place. Well, obviously all by Juvia's Place. I think this is the, I think that this is the loose highlighter. And I'm going to be super excited about it. Yes, it is. It is the loose highlighter. Oh my God. I'm a little scared. There we go. Oh no, it's not loose. Ooh, it's pressed. It's a pressed one, and it's pretty like diamond. I've been wanting. Ooh. That is pretty, and that's gonna fit like so many skin tones. What a great thing to put in a mystery box, because that's gonna fit a ton of people. Now, Juvia's Place is a brand that is made for and designed for people of darker skin tones, but I mean, obviously everybody can use their products. I love, but it's made for people who have melanated skin with colors that will show up on them and having shade range. They have like actually a really massive shade range in their foundations and concealers, stuff for people who are very, very light skinned all the way to like the deepest skin tone. So they're actually really nice and different like finishes too. Oh, this is the Juvia's Play. What is this? I don't know what this is. Okay, this is a matte lipstick and it's called Dodo Matte. It looks like it might be like a blackened plum. Let's see. I think.
It is a beautiful liquid matte black lipstick. This is an amazing black. Like, I love it so much.
This so much. I purchased the NYX Cosmetics Suede Matte and Alien, but it's a cream formula. It's not liquid lipstick. They did used to have the, I think they probably still do, the NYX has the Alien and liquid lipstick, but this one, honestly, I like it better. It's drying down to this really pretty matte finish, but it's not like super over drying. You know what I mean? I'm really happy about that, really excited. And this one is, this is the Nubian Intense Pencil Liner. Ooh, and it's in the shade Royal. It's supposed to be smudge proof, 12-hour long wear, and intense color payoff. Ooh. Oh, yes. In this really pretty blue shade. Okay. Let's try it on. I didn't try on the eyeshadows right now, but like I thought swatching them would be sufficient. But let's see what this looks like, because this is going to be actually really cool with black lipstick. Well, I really like the way that turned out. It's super pigmented and really creamy. I have trouble sometimes even with gel liners being like not going around, because I'm almost 37, so I have like right at the lash line, you know, have those little like ridges and you get wrinkles on your eyes. But I am super impressed, and again, this lipstick is drying down like perfectly. It's not, I didn't really apply it that great, so like that's not the lipstick's fault. I just like missed the corner. So if you're seeing like patchiness, like that's, I did that. But where I actually applied it correctly, it is great. And it's also, you know what, let me fix it. It down, but it's not like, you know how the ColourPop ones, the old formula, so good. Like I would, it's called Doo-Doo. Where I think it's pronounced Dudoi? No, that's not correct. It's called Doo-Doo. Dodo? Maybe Dodo? I'm not sure exactly how you would pronounce that. But so for $16, mind you, we got an entire palette, a highlighter, full-size highlighter, full-size Nubian pencil in royal blue. And like I said, I have issues with even gel liners just being way too dry. Like the gel liners from ColourPop are too dry for my eyes. Like they don't glide. This did not have an issue or a problem. I'm really excited to try out that highlighter on my skin and see, like, you know what, I'm not wearing any makeup. We should just try it. Let's just try it. Come on, my highlighter brush. Ooh. So it looks really nice on camera. It's beautiful. Did I need another highlighter? No. Did this make me happy? Yes. Mind your business, Betsy. Mind your business. Oh my God, look, it just looks so wet, and like I didn't wet my brush or anything. Oh my God, I think this might be, I love the Ofra highlighters, but honestly, like, Juvia's Place, you did it. You did it. So in real life, it doesn't hide my pores, but the truth is, like, I'm not really that worried about hiding my pores because you are supposed to have pores. You're a human being, you're not a doll. Texture is just normal. Like, skin has texture. Real people have texture. Like, don't ever let anyone like try to make you feel bad about that. Also, your pore size is genetically determined. Like, you cannot shrink your pores. You can clean your pores and make them as small as possible for your specific skin. You cannot shrink your pores. Those are genetically determined at birth. And if your grandmama had big old pores, and guess what? You might have big pores too. Just like most people have bigger pores here where we put highlight and in our nose area, because those are the things where we like need to sweat and we need to get other stuff out. So don't worry about it if you have bigger pores there. It just doesn't really matter. So anywhooser, these are the 4 things we got in our mystery box. So we got the black liquid lipstick, which I'm absolutely loving, and the royal blue eyeliner. Again, super pretty. My first impression is I'm very impressed. And then this amazing Heroin Glow 2 by Heroin Glow 2, and the Festival palette. So all of those things together for $16, and I think I paid like $4 in shipping. But if you reach like a certain amount in your basket, then you don't pay any shipping at all. So can you imagine? I can't remember. I think it was like $35 in shipping, something like, or $35 and then no shipping cost. But there wasn't really anything else that I needed, so I just purchased just those things. So I'm getting better about not getting drawn in by not paying shipping, because $4 in shipping is not the same. It's not, that's not a big deal. Me going from spending like $25 to $35 because I just didn't want to pay the $4 in shipping doesn't really make a whole lot of sense. So I'm trying to get better at that, but the struggle is real. I am super excited and super happy about all of these things. I can't wait to play with the Magic Mini, which I purchased separately from the box. But I'm actually really excited and really impressed with that kind of mystery box, because I think the highlighters alone retail for like $12. And I know the lipsticks retail for somewhere around like $14, anywhere from like $10 to $14 depending on if there's a sale. I'm not sure about the eyeliners, but in any case, just like the single palette and like lipstick, just either one of those things pay for the box itself.
Hey guys, it's Editing Stephanie here. I just wanted to go over the value of this box really quick. This palette, the Festival palette alone, retails for $20, so that already makes the value of the box, the $16 box. But that's not it. So the highlighter that we got, the Heroin 2, is the more like goldy color. There's a more champagne color also, that's the volume 1. And this retails for $16 alone. So this alone is the retail value of the box. And the eye pencils, the incredibly like creamy eye pencils, comes in 4 different colors. These are $12 each. So you can already see the value of this box is amazing. So I got the royal blue color, or the royal color, and I am just like in love with it. You see it in the video. And I love the liquid black lipstick. It does go on glossy but dries down to a matte. This is on sale on the website right now for $10.60, but is normally $12. That means that I got $60 worth of products for $16 out of the box. That's an amazing value.
I'm actually really excited, and I hope that they keep doing more of these mystery boxes because I want to buy them. So I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing, and I hope that you have an amazing, spooktacular Halloween. Stay safe and stay spooky, my friends. Bye!